Sa susunod na linggo na sisimulan ang ilang proseso sa Senado kaugnay ng impeachment complaint ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Kamakailan, sumulat si Senate President Chis Escudero kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez na nagsabing handa silang tanggapin ng House prosecutors sa June 2 alas 4 ng hapon. Inaasahang babasahin ng prosecution ng 7 charges sa ilalim ng Articles of Impeachment. Kinabukasan, June 3 naman, inaasahang magko-convene na ang Senado bilang impeachment court. Ayon kay Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, fully committed ang Senado na gampanan ang kanilang mandato patungkol sa impeachment. Kasabay niyan ang patuloy din nilang pagtugon sa pangangailangan ng mga Pilipino. Tiwala rin na siya na hindi mahahadlangan ng impeachment ang mga prioridad na panukalang batas na kailangan maipasa. Maliban kay Gatchalian, naghahanda na rin ang iba pang senador para sa impeachment trial.
Preparing for the impeachment is more than just wearing our gowns, right? No, but really, well, reading the rules of this and the past impeachments and getting ourselves emotionally ready as well.
Impeachment rules at the moment. Impeachment rules, ang nakalagay, pag inumpisahan yung impeachment, tatapusin until the end. Okay? Of the impeachment. Until decision is made. Ganon. Okay. Ang problema, June 30 tapos. As far as the Senate rules are concerned, they will have to refile it.
Refile it.
As far as the impeachment rules are concerned, it may carry over.